Your body will absorb chlorine in seconds. The water with the chlorine will turn yellow. The water where I place my hand will stay clear because my hand has absorbed the chlorine. The chlorine tester drops have turned the water yellow. As I add the drops to the second cup, no trace of chlorine. Residual chlorine absorption, more than drinking 8 glasses of water. One shower can expose you to more chlorine. Atomy shower head has double filtration that can remove chlorine and sediments. Atomy shower head can add vitamin C to your shower. A whole food vitamin C, not a synthetic, but